How's it going, everybody? This is Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons, and I'm back again with an all-new episode of Tiny Home Tuesday. Where on Tuesdays, I showcase a particular park model tiny home coming in at 399 square feet that we have available right here at Recreational Resort Cottages. And this Tuesday, I'm bringing to you the Sunset Retreat. I am back again with an all-new episode of Tiny Home Tuesday, and yes, I am back with an amazing 399 square foot tiny home, and it's not just that. It's going to be the fact that we listen to you like we like to do here at Recreational Resort Cottages. In the past, we showcased this home by the name of the Sunset Retreat, and there was one small modification that we saw clients continue to relay. So today, we're here showing the all-new improved Sunset Retreat. And starting here on the exterior, you'll see that this home is coming in at 11 feet wide. It is 43 foot long, and that's going to include the 10-foot front porch. And we have it on sale today for $109K, $109,000. You'll get everything you see today besides furniture and decor. And starting here on the exterior, you'll see that we have a beautiful green base on the siding that has a 50-year warranty. We also have white going around your trim of your windows as well as your porch post. And then we've topped it all off with a metal roof with a 30-year warranty. And with the 10-foot porch, it's an area that you want to gather. So go ahead and come around and let's gather right here so you can see how much space you have to accommodate with your friends and loved ones. Because as soon as you come up onto the Sunset Retreat, that's going to be exactly what you want to do. Retreat from the sun. Because you can see Mr. Tiny is perspirating today, but we're still making it happen, Captain. And right here on the exterior, all of this space you have. Again, we have a couple chairs here, but look at how much additional walk space that you have. Also, let's take it up top. You'll see that we have a wonderful cedar accent on your interior porch ceiling with 4 can lights, and it is already wired and braced for a ceiling fan or light fixture of your choice. So great area out here to entertain, but the outside is going to be one thing. The inside is something totally different. Y'all go ahead and follow me inside this all-new Sunset Retreat. Now here we are on the interior of the Sunset Retreat, and this is where it's all going to start. As soon as you enter this wonderful home, you'll be greeted with the living space. Right here, you'll see a beautiful accented wood wall that is going to be open, no built-ins right here, so you can accommodate the furniture or TV of your choice. We have that going around in white. That pairs perfectly up against the stained ceiling that you have up top. But then look at the abundance of windows. You're going to have 2 windows on the front wall with the double transoms, and then the same is continued on the side wall, which is going to be, in our opinion, the sofa wall or your furniture wall. Whether you want to put some recliners, sofa, or love seat, you have the space right here to accommodate and still have the natural light. We have hard surface flooring going throughout the entire model and just an open space right here. Open is going to be the key feature because the space right here is open that leads to your open concept into your kitchen where you have tons of countertop space. I know that you've been asking for that, so you'll see here tons of countertop space, even the elongated counter here to allow you to have a couple of stools underneath to have a nice eating space. But then as we make our way over here, you'll see that it has tons of curb appeal with the U shape on the interior. I say curb appeal because it looks like a curb. That's usually an exterior feature, but right here, you're gonna have some curb appeal on the interior of the Sunset Retreat. And not only that, you have cabinets down low, built-in dishwasher, 1 basin sink, the faucet with the detachable sprayer, window, open wood shelves on each side, clear story up top, and then on the back side you will have the glass top stove and the microwave. What's cool about this is how everything is situated on this side. Right here, a full pantry in a tiny home. Yes, you're going to have 4 shelves right there. Additional space down below. That'd be a great area for you to place a trash can or something like that, out of sight, out of mind. But then also you have your refrigerator section built in with additional space up above, and then of course additional space up above that. If you notice, look real quick from the living room ceiling to the kitchen ceiling. You see how that bumps up there? And it makes it feel even larger in person. Now, I told you outside that the Sunset Retreat was a home that we listened to you on. The first time we showcased it, the bathroom was in the rear of the home. You guys asked for the modification and said, hey, I don't want people to have to go through my bedroom to get to the bathroom. So here's where the difference lies from this part back. That's because as soon as you go from the kitchen area, you'll come right into the bathroom. This is where if you have guests over, family members over, they need to use the bathroom, they have the space here to access, and your bedroom is still private and secluded. So right here, tons of space. Look at all this countertop space you have in your bathroom. Cabinetry down below, large drawers right here, super large drawers, soft close at that. And I know somebody's gonna say, Mr. Tiny, well, I need the dual sinks in my... We can make it happen if you want it. But some of you have asked for additional countertop space. So here you go. So we have that right there. Clear story up top as well. And I love this pony wall. This little half wall right here gives a little bit of privacy to the toilet on the opposite side. And then you will have the shower right here. Stand-up shower with the soap dishes in each corner. And with the ceiling heights in here, it is so open. You also have a transom up top. Then, after you're done showering, right here, you step out. Your clothes may be finished up in the dryer. So you have your stackable wash machine and dryer included in this Sunset Retreat. And up above that, you have additional storage space as well. Now, let's lead it back to the bedroom. And in this bedroom, as you can see, it can accommodate a king-size bed if you can read. So this shows you king bed in here with still amazing walkability around the bed. We have a shiplap accent there on the back wall, 2 transoms up top, window here off the back wall that also doubles as an exit, so it does fall out, so that way you can go out in case of emergency. What I love is the fact that you have the 3-drawer dresser right here with a large space up above that you can place your TV or decor. Closet right here with a double shelf and rod. And what's crazy about that, that's a great size for a tiny home, in my opinion, to have a closet that size. That's not enough. That's not enough for Mr. Tiny. We need additional space. So we have another closet with a double shelf and rod. And not only that, look down low. You see right there, that is going to be your tankless water heater, just to show you that you have that option also. So Mr. Tiny's listening to you. We sat there and made some modifications to this plan. So I hope that you like the way that it turned out, but go ahead and walk with me one more time back through so you can look at this layout. If you're coming from your bedroom, back through the bathroom space, and leads directly out to your kitchen and main living area. And again, for a model with no loft, I know a lot of you have been asking for more non-lofted homes, and specifically the tiny homes with no lofts. This Sunset Retreat is going to be a great option for you because of the layout, because of the space. I feel it is a great flow and concept in a tiny home. But what I want to know is if you agree. So if you enjoyed this video tour, what I need you to do is show me some love. I ain't sweating out of here for nothing. You know, my cleaner bill each week costs a pretty penny. So I need y'all to show me some love. Make sure to like. Also comment what your favorite feature of this Sunset Retreat was today. And also hit that subscribe button. If you're subscribed like you should be, then you're part of the family. You already know most of the things I'm telling you. You're just sitting here to see what's new each and every week, and I appreciate you for being here. And also, if you want to hit me up directly about purchasing the Sunset Retreat today, you can hit me up on TikTok, Instagram, or Facebook at the Mr. Tiny, at TheMrTiny. And you can connect with I anytime I'm selling the Sunset Retreat as well as hundreds of other models directly off of my social media. So you can contact me day or night and I'll make sure that price is right. Speaking of price, we're going to recap one more time. This home is 11 foot wide, 43 foot long, and that's including the 10-foot porch. And I'm going to tell you today, it's on sale for $109K. So get it while it lasts, ladies and gentlemen. And again, my name is Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons, and I'll see you next Tiny Home Tuesday.